Knowledge management involves more than just technology. It involves creating methods for building relationships and trust.
I'm not interested in another technology solution. I need people to use the technology we have and work smarter.
Our company expertise is retiring faster than ever. I need a way to capture and transfer that knowledge to our less experienced workforce.
There's only one company I know of that understands how to capture and apply this human side of knowledge management.
The world moves fast. Organizations move even faster. There are new missions, new requirements, acquisitions and mergers. Every day, 10,000 people turn 65 years old, and their expertise is walking out the door. If we are to remain competitive, we must harness what we know and use it to create an advantage. SKS is the leader in knowledge management, with over a decade of expertise in 30 different organizations. With its focus on the human side of knowledge services, SKS develops strategies that are both practical and affordable.
Speed and agility is more important today than ever to remain competitive. We have to be faster than our competition. Whether that's a military adversary or whether that's the other pharmacy company that's going to roll out this drug before we do.
There are two reasons to do knowledge management: to reduce costs or to increase revenues. KM reduces costs through improved efficiency and effectiveness, and it increases revenue through innovation and productivity. The bottom line? SKS's knowledge services help you harness that value and remain competitive.
Some people say that about 60+% of our workforce are knowledge workers these days. And I would be surprised if it's that low.
Computer systems can store and move data, but only people can produce the knowledge a company needs to work efficiently, effectively, and with constant innovation. Knowledge management is about interactions, and it must address how people interact with each other, with content, and with the systems people use. SKS aligns the 7 components of the knowledge environment with the right type of interaction to create a strategy that acknowledges the behaviors needed for a successful business to thrive. It all begins with people.
If you want knowledge to move in the organization, you got to make it personal in the organization. You got to create the right connections for people, the interactions.
SKS applies a deliberate human approach to knowledge management. The 4-phase strategy will help you assess your organization's knowledge, design a tailored approach that meets your company's culture and capabilities, develop a holistic approach that includes training your workforce and helping them understand how this change enables them to work smarter, not harder, and finally, implement an actionable plan that is both manageable and measurable. It's an approach that has worked for some of the largest corporations in the world, and it will work for you. It's not KM for the sake of KM. SKS is dedicated to helping your company reduce costs and improve productivity. By focusing on the human side of knowledge management, SKS will help you create a balanced knowledge environment where collaboration, innovation, learning, and sharing are part of the company's culture and produce measurable results. Your organization's success is tied to retaining its knowledge, building effective collaboration, and sharing critical lessons. Learn more about SKS and the human approach to knowledge management.